Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Is your ceiling fan making strange noises like rattling, humming, clicking, or wobbling sounds? Don't worry. Before spending money on a new fan or calling a technician, there are several simple things you can check yourself at home. In this video, I'll show you 5 easy fixes that can stop ceiling fan noise and make your fan run smoothly again. Most of these fixes require only basic tools and can save you both time and money. Let's get started. One of the most common reasons a ceiling fan makes noise is loose screws. Over time, the vibration from daily use can loosen the screws holding the blades, motor cover, or mounting bracket. When these parts become loose, the fan may start making rattling or clicking sounds. First, turn off the fan and switch off the power for safety. Now take a screwdriver and carefully check all visible screws. Blade screws, light kit screws, motor housing screws, mounting bracket screws. Tighten anything that feels loose, but don't over-tighten because that can damage the threads. After tightening everything, turn the fan back on and check if the noise is gone. In many cases, this simple step completely fixes the problem. Dust buildup is another major cause of noisy ceiling fans. When dust collects on the blades, it can make the fan unbalanced. This creates wobbling and extra noise while spinning. Dirty motors can also create humming sounds because airflow gets restricted. Use a microfiber cloth or soft brush to clean. Fan blades, motor housing, valve opening, light fixtures. If the dust is thick, use a slightly damp cloth. You can also use a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment for better cleaning. A clean fan not only runs quieter, but also improves airflow and energy efficiency. Many people are surprised how much quieter their fan becomes after a proper cleaning. Check for bent or unbalanced blades. If your ceiling fan wobbles while spinning, one or more blades may be bent or unbalanced. Even a small difference in blade angle can create vibration and noise. Stand below the fan and look carefully at the blades. Check if one blade sits lower than the others. A blade looks bent. The fan shakes at high speed. You can gently bend a slightly bent blade back into position. For balancing issues, many ceiling fans include a balancing kit with small weights. Attach the balancing clip to different blades and test the fan until the wobbling reduces. A balanced fan runs smoother, quieter, and puts less stress on the motor. Sometimes the fan itself is fine, but the mounting bracket connected to the ceiling becomes loose. This can create knocking or shaking noises, especially at higher speeds. Carefully inspect the area where the fan connects to the ceiling. If the mounting bracket or electrical box is loose, tighten the screw securely. Also check whether the ceiling fan is properly seated in the mounting bracket. A poorly mounted fan can become dangerous if ignored for too long. If you notice severe shaking or damage around the ceiling box, it may be safer to contact a professional electrician. If you still hear humming, grinding, or buzzing sounds after trying all previous fixes, the problem may be inside the motor. Older ceiling fans sometimes need lubrication because internal bearings dry out over time. Check your fan manual to see if the motor supports oil lubrication. If it does, use the recommended fan oil. Add only a few drops. Avoid overfilling. After lubrication, run the fan for a few minutes to distribute the oil. However, if the motor still makes loud grinding noises, overheats, or smells burnt, the internal bearings or windings may be damaged. In that case, replacing the motor or the entire fan may be the better option. Sometimes a fan makes noise only at certain speeds. This can happen because of faulty speed capacitors, loose wiring, worn out speed controllers. Try running the fan at different speeds and listen carefully. If the noise happens only on one speed, the capacitor or speed regulator may need replacement. So before replacing your ceiling fan, always try these simple fixes first. Tighten loose screws, clean dust buildup, balance the blades, inspect the mounting bracket, check motor lubrication. Most noisy ceiling fan problems can be fixed at home with simple tools and a little patience. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy home repair and DIY troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.